So, you want to learn the stock market. Maybe you've seen it somewhere. Maybe your old friend just talked about it. But either way, you're here. Let's see. What is the stock market? Easy. It's where you buy stocks. Stocks are a share of a company that is public. Public meaning it's listed on the stock market. Did you get that? Let me repeat. Stocks are like a small piece of a pie, and the big pie is the company. Not all companies share their stocks, only companies that are publicly listed, like in PSE or the Philippine Stock Exchange. There's different more around the world. Anyway, there's two ways to be involved in it. Invest it or trade it. There are those who invest in it, and that's okay. But for the small guys who can't wait 50 years and have a big capital, like how we all started in ZFT, we just trade it. Investing is basically buying a share of the company you like, then holding on to it. It's like marriage. You get to know the company intimately before you commit to it. Trading, on the other hand, well, you can say it's more fast-paced. Once it's no longer working out, you gotta get out. To be honest, sometimes we could be trading a particular stock, and they're all just names. We don't know what that company does. All we know is we like the way the price is moving. You know what they say, don't fall in love with a stock. The problem with investing is after waiting for so long, you could have picked wrong. Or that one single year can wipe out 5 years of growth in your portfolio. This doesn't bother the big boys. I mean, they can cash out somewhere else. But for us, we gotta be smarter than that. We need to learn how to dance in this market the way we are designed to do so. You could be trading like a fund manager if you don't have that much funds, no? We move different. So you gotta be tactical. Understand what you are. ZFT is a tribe of traders who uses the ZFT system. Boy, we got the best ones. We got champions and leaders. If you want results, this is where you go. That's why you belong here. But we got no time for people who love to pull each other apart. If you're into that, we ain't the right fit. If you're a complete newbie and you want to learn trading for free, like opening an account, reading price charts, and all the important and basic stuff, there's Trading for Rookies Facebook group. Head over there. But if you're familiar with the ways of the market, here's programs we got for you. Anyway, we're sure you got questions, so slide over our DMs and let's figure out how you can get started to this wonderland of money and how you can join the tribe.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. It's Monday again. Today is December 19. Ayan. So, 6 days na lang pala, Pasko na, no? December 25. So again, good afternoon sa lahat ng viewers natin for today. I'm not sure if, like, okay lang ba yung audio ko? Hindi naman ako nagpuputol, no? Tama ba? Okay, good. Okay. So shoutout muna tayo sa mga tribes natin dito joining us from all over the world. We have Carlo, good morning from Qatar. Fritz, Chuck, Advance Merry Christmas Coach from Cavite. Thank you, Fritz. Advance Merry Christmas too. We have Paul here from Cavite as well. So welcome to the tribe, Paul. Itse, andito din. Good afternoon. Lioven Deselos. Darvin Tan, Merry Christmas. Sana wala daw ipit sa tol. Naku po, ano kaya nangyari sa tol? Tingnan natin mamaya. Kyle is also here from Pasig. And sa wakas, bumalik ang pinakamalakas na si Ovuvove, Enetwenweve, Ugbumigben Osas. Alright. So, shout out sa iyo. Na-miss ka namin, boss. D'Angelo, shout out to Fury. Good afternoon. Okay yung audio, sabi ni Frederick Sandalo. Thank you very much. So again, check natin yan mamaya. Now DMCW, MWCRG. So check natin yan in a bit. Boss Karen, check. Merry Christmas sa inyo, sir. Fury and Badong. Ayan. Thank you very much, Boss Karen. She the beautiful host of Trading Republic Homecoming is also here. Shikaina and Greedy Jandayan or Handayan. Hello, Merry Christmas, guys. Hello, Madam. Thank you very much for spending time with us today. So 35,000 viewers tayo for tonight. So I'm sorry if medyo nagpuputol-putol yung screen ko. Wala ako sa bahay, guys. I'm currently on vacation right now. So hopefully kaya naman itawid yung internet dito. Anyways, let's take a look at balat agad tayo. Let's take a look at some charts. Si Paul De Luna din. Mahulpak si Paul De Luna. Check. Good afternoon, sir. So let's take a look at some charts here and let's see kung ano nangyayari sa Philippine market. Not sure if you still remember yung mga na-discuss natin before, guys, about the market, that we are still looking at potential drop on the market with a correction. No longer, I know, lower than 6,100. So ito yung drawing natin before, no? So we're just expecting a retracement somewhere, I guess. Let's go get our fibs. So somewhere at this level, above 50 levels. Dito sana banda at 2.5, tapos yung pinaka-low niya, if the drop pa talaga, should not go below 6,100. All right? So at least hinahanap natin maybe around 6.2 to 6.3 area. So yun yung mga tinitingnan natin na potential retracement. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, let's take a look at the DXY, another index that we're looking at. So very clear. We have DXY here, and we have multiple lows sa RSI. Habang bumabagsak siya, we have equal lows. So wala namang divergence na nangyari yet, but we are expecting either a run-up to retest this area at 110 or 108 to 109 area before it's gonna go down, continue. So basing from that, we are looking for another leg down for PSE somewhere above 6,100 before it's gonna try to break 6,800. So sa mga nag-review ngayon na mga taga-tribe, I have a in-depth, not really in-depth, but a quick discussion about this inside the tribe. Nawala yung chart ko. Anong nangyari, guys? Na-close ko ata. Okay, sorry. Anyways, we have a in-depth discussion about this. Nung last Friday, last FGD natin, I've discussed about previous bear market cycles. I've also discussed about expectations and the changes that we see during bear markets, and of course, during what do you call this? bull markets and reversals, kung ano yung mga in-expect natin, and ano usually ginagawa ng mga stocks during that time. So you might want to check out the recording last Friday, FGD, sa mga taong hindi naka-attend. Anyways, going back for sa Philippine market, this is what we are expecting. And I'm seeing some names who are strong in this market. So, and also I'm seeing stocks that medyo nabugbog. Siguro unahin natin yung pinakamalakas ngayon, which is Now Corporation. So for those guys who have been following the FGD, so naging target price natin for now would be any area just above this level, right? So this was a sell zone for people who has traded now. So like I've mentioned before, this stock needs to consolidate para malaman natin if malakas pa siya or not. So through it is, after the target price hit, nag-retrace lang siya sa dali, did not break even the TSL, and then afterwards, we have a run up, and then we have another breakout. So far, good base yung ginawa ni Now. This is basically its second base. So first run up, we have a cute one over here, another run up, and then we have a big base over here. So the third base usually, di ba? Sa base counting natin, usually third bases would be sell signals. So if it can pierce above 2 plus, so you might want to check order blocks at the left side and make that target prices if you are trading this stock. So again, I'm not recommending to try and follow this. I guess the sentiment for this is since this is a telco stock, one of the um, you know strong names in the telco is breaking down. It's actually going down, and that is Tel. So parang may issue about Tel about its ano ba yun? Overrun budget, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So based sa computation nila, medyo lumampas. And I think that's the reason why Tel is breaking down. But even before that news last Friday or this weekend at lumabas, we're clearly telling people already that now is not really a good buy, you know. Dito pa lang when it was breaking this level of support and MAs is already breaking down, pangit na talaga si Tel. So even before this move over here, dito pa lang oh, nung na-break siya dito, this is not a good stock to invest with or trade with. So it's now going down. However, for technical traders like us, no, in ZFT, this is actually an opportunity. Meaning we're looking for that quick bounce. Maybe we'll be able to get around 12 to 15 to maybe 20% bounce of this movement. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the weekly chart and plot our support and resistance zone. So ito yung nakikitang levels natin as of the moment. We have, oops, sorry. So we have this one, levels at 1,000 area. And then looking at it, we have, off muna natin yung MAs natin here. So looking at that, we have a support level area here, which is we are looking for a breakdown below that support level areas. And then we'll try to find zones, liquidity that might be filled. So this area, I'm looking at this level at 1,050 levels. So dyan yung potential buy zone ko. Okay? And that is actually a confluence of, gonna get our fibs, 618 below, so that's around 7.79 area. So yan yung expectation ko for Tel. Sana mag-drop pa siya ng more than maybe around another 10 to 8% drop. Filled niya muna to ditong area na to at the left side, breaking liquidity zone. So again, I've thought about this already. These are liquidity zones. So meaning may maraming buyers and sellers on that levels. So if that was taken out, that area, then dyan, maraming liquidity dyan. Yan, these are liquidity zones. These are liquidity zones. So if you're a bounce player, nag-aabang ka usually for a pierce of that liquidity zone. So ito, nag-pierce na siya below eh. So dapat mag-break niya yung liquidity zone na yan, kainin yung liquidity, and then dito, mag-form ng potential bounce. So quick bounce would be around 2 to 3 days, or maybe sobrang lakas for fourth day. But that's what we are looking at, breaking of liquidity zone. So hindi natin delete yan, guys. Para next Monday. Kailan ba yung next Monday? Pasko yun, di ba? Teka lang. Hindi. 26 pala. May trading day ba sa 26? Meron naman ata, guys. No? So that is what we are looking at for 10. I hope may drop pa siya tomorrow or in the next few days. Huwag muna siya mag-bounce. Kasi ubusin niya muna yung liquidity niya lahat dito, and kasi mag-drop siya hanggang siguro below 1,500, mas better na. If ever i-pierce niya pa yan para ano talaga, ubos yung mga sellers before siya mag-bounce. So that is what we're looking at. Maybe RSI below, well, one-digit RSI would be good. So yun yung tinitignan natin for 10. Okay. That's it for that. So now would be still a sell for us. Any continuation move for now is still a sell for us. So no trend follow as of the moment. We're gonna check some names. We have ABA who died, I think, is dying. So magkakaroon pa ata ng isang drop si ABA. So this is no longer on a watch list. Was hoping for a breakout kay ABA but did not follow through. Some names that we are looking at, personally, like I mentioned last few days ago, I'm just looking at Bloom. Bloom is one of the stocks that I'm personally holding and looking at. They started buying Bloom at 7 area plus this banda. So for me, this is a classic higher low. After a break from this good consolidation over here, we have a breakout retest of resistance, this one, and then a retest of support levels, this one area, and another run up, which is a retest of resistance, and then another drop, which is higher low. So this is a classic move, and I'm hoping for this to break out at 750 by tomorrow or in the next few days. So if it breaks at 750, maybe we'll have an easy 15 to 20% run up for this guy. So that is the stock that I am personally looking at. Shout out dito kay RM, dito din pala. So what's up? Yeah, and we'll check some names, some good names other than Bloom. I guess we'll see blue chips like this. Wilcon. Okay, Wilcon is not that good anymore. It's breaking down. We have MWC. Excuse me. So MWC, same thing. Parang I still don't like it much. After the run up, target price hit already here. I always tell you, no, guys, if you're looking for stocks that are reversals, huwag niyo talagang i-trend follow yan. Just look at previous resistances on the left side of the chart and make that a target price. So left side, take a look at that. It's very classic, no? Ayan, so support levels over here, resistance over here, and then ngayon, siya yung naging resistance zone. So for me, the play for MWC is over already after the blue chip na run up. Second liners naman yung inaabangan natin. So done yung Jollibee, AP, ito MWC. So after a huge run up over here, target price hit, okay na yan. No need to trade this anymore. Right, for me, pass na ako dyan. If you're gonna take a look at AP, blue chips. Oh no, this is not it. Avoid this. For me, the play is over already. This one is move over here. Maybe it will consolidate further. Medyo matagal pa. Jollibee, JFC. So Jollibee, for looking at it, hindi din siya nagtuloy. So it's trailing at 100 MA now. So if you're a investor, this one is a good buy, and then bato-bato ulit during momentum bago this level. So yun lang yung tingin ko sa mga blue chips. Very quick moves only. So let's take a look at some names. Tech, may gusto ka ba tingnan before we go through? Okay, my internet is slowing down. Sorry guys. Pasensya na po. So we're done with now. We're done with MWC. We'll go with DMC because may nag-request kay DMC. Yeah, DMC breaking out from this level, right? After nag-break down to 100 MA, nagkakaroon ng higher low, and then break from this level. It's good, and then retest. So for me, DMC is still nice. We might see a breakout DMC over here at this level. So abangan niyo yan guys, si DMC. We might have a play for this stock. Sino pa? We have AGI. So AGI and DMC. All right. So as for AGI naman, looking at the stock, for me, the play is already done. Again, I'm always looking out previous resistances that might serve as sell zones. So if sobrang lakas pa niya, baka may 11 area pa siya, but there is no consolidation or base yet here. So tuloy-tuloy lang siya, and then target price hit this one, and then this one. This is for me a sell in the next few days and weeks siguro. Not a good buy opportunity. We have shoutout pala kay Hans Tumasig. Shoutout Boss Yui. Joey from Dubai. What's up? What's up? What's up? Si Joey. All right. So JFC GT Cap. GT Cap. Tama ba to? GT Cap. Is this it? Oh no, sir. GT Cap. No, that's yuck. Yuck. Tama ba itong GT Cap na to? Bumabagsak si GT Cap at 390. No, this is not a good stock to invest with or even trade at all. I'll say big pass for GT Cap. EPX daw, sabi ni Paul. Alright, so EPX, gold stock, like I've mentioned. So very classic 20 MA, near 20 MA level, si APX. So this for me as a swing trader would be a good opportunity for buy. Break the cut would be below 20 MA. You might see, because this is like the second base no, after breakout. So goods pa tayo dyan. For me, APX is still good for you to trade. Invalidation would be if it does not, 20 MA does not hold. For me, medyo slow siya or hindi masyadong malakas. So DNL, DNL is still the same with DMC. Ano siya, it's a good stock to trade, to watch. This is the breakout point ni DMC. So this is the fourth touch. Oh yeah, DNL para sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we might have a move in the next few days. Target price would be, of course, box TP. Just get the length of this and then put it here somewhere. So that would be your target price for DMC. Now, some names that I've listed here, like Mac. Okay, so Mac is no longer on my watch list. I'll be deleting this one. Medic. Let's see. Medic, no longer my watch list. I'll delete that one as well. We have PX. So PX, very, very classic. After hitting support levels, PX is retracing. And a good base for PX would be nice. Medyo matagal muna na base before it's gonna go up. Yun yung expectation. IDC, structure, level, I don't like. So I'll just be deleting this first. SSI, Okay, why pa si SSI? Still good. Now it's their Bloom and WC. MWC, delete ko na din. So watch list ko. So we're trying to narrow down our watch list to just few names. Sino ba yung malakas? Okay, mabagal yung internet. Espinet, this is deleted as well. Wilcon, I don't like it as well. AP. So, cleansing tayo ng watches, no? Especially for our blue chip stocks because for me, done na yung blue chips. LR, I think LR is dying as well. I'm gonna delete this one. Emmy. Emmy is still alive, but the reason why I'm gonna delete Emmy is because, okay, so dyan na lang siya for watch listing na lang din. So, ABBA, we're gonna delete this one. Green, not moving, I guess, so we're gonna delete this one. So we'll try to check some other names like APX. We'll add this one here. So APX would be a good stuff to watch. And then ASEN. Let me see. ASEN. Medyo mabigat na to sa ASEN. But let's see if there would be a continuation at 760 area. Right now, I don't see any place yet. So I'll not be adding this on my watch lists. Ikaw, Tech, may mga tinitingnan ka ba ng mga potential plays for next year? Wala pa talaga akong mabasa, guys, na good place for next year. So same lang daw, sabi niya. So primary, I'm looking at Tel bounce, and then I'm looking for a breakout of Bloom, I guess. Also a continuation of now. I'm looking at it. If there is a continuation of now, baka pwedeng ano to. I personally don't have it yet. I did not trade now. That's specifically because yung nga, volume liquidity, medyo kinulangan pa ako. Siguro I'll be starting trading again end of this. Aside kung may play kay Tel and breakout of Bloom, siguro end of this month and then first week of January dun ulit tayo babanat. But right now, especially in Trading Republic, as you can see, the community medyo chill muna because of course no FGDs next week because of holidays. We'll be back January. So yun yung balik namin. And also, by the way, guys, for other traders, so APX Blue SSI, tama. Okay. So for other traders who don't know what they're doing, especially if very newbie ka and you don't have any consistent system yet at all, proven system. Technical intensive is now open again. This coming January 8th, that would be the first day of the class. So if you want to join with us and learn more about how trading works, the right system, risk management, trading psych, that would be on January 2023. So you can click on the link provided below. And if you're still thinking if it's for you, really for you, you may also want to join us Technical Intensive Open House. That would be, I guess, December 2029. I'm not sure if good for open for announcement na yan, pero I think that's what I've heard. We'll have an open house for technical traders. Just try to join and see if it's for you. And if you think that it's not for you, then you might opt to not join the class. It's for free, I think. There will be limited slots, so you might want to check out the announcement once we release it already sa page. Okay, so again, that's Technical Intensive this coming January. See you. And of course, our 2trade Asia family still has its own going promotion for its account worth 10,000 pesos. So that's a promotion up until end of this month. So you might want to click on the link provided below. Just for 10,000, you can now open an account. And Recta Prime na, if I'm not mistaken, Prime na agad. So automated orders will be there. Ano pa? So the new features, and sa 2trade is also gonna be there. So charting and stuff like that, automated orders, and mobile app, andun sa 2trade siya. So click on the link if wala ka pang or gusto mo na lumipat ng ibang broker. So that is it. Any other names that we are interested in the Philippine market? So unfortunately, volume ng Philippine market sobrang dry. Kahit retracement niya ang alat. So I'm not seeing good names. I'm not seeing leaders yet. So maybe now, okay, now there would be news for this. I'm not sure kung anong catalyst din now it's going up. Maybe because of the drop of TEL. Maybe it's one of the reasons. But as technical trader, they are only focusing more on the price action rather than the chika-chika. So may gusto pa bang tignan dyan, yung mga stocks na gusto nyong, guys, i-check? You can just comment on the Facebook natin. So meron pa ba, guys? Right now, we're just like I mentioned. Right now is a week of just resetting. Kalma-kalma lang, chill. Reset ng port, reset ng psych, and a review. SLI. So may humabol pa si Sir. Let's take a look at SLI. Is this it? SLI? Santa Lucia. It's a pass for me, liquidity-wise, structure-wise. Pa siyang barcode, no? So, not good. Oh, NX pala. Take a look at. So, SLI, it's a no for me. NX, buti nasabit to. Tingnan ko nga to. Okay, so NX, namatay after breakout. So, same thing, I'll pass on this one. LR, like you mentioned about LR did not continue. Akala ko may continuation si LR. But nag-breakdown siya. So, right now, I guess, so hindi siya nag-hold level. So, stay away muna ako for this stock. Ito yung level sa tinitignan ko for LR. So, hindi siya nag-hold. So, I'd say I'd pass on it. Ani. Let's take a look at Ani. Ani, actually, buy pa talaga to. If you're gonna take a look at Ani, guys, on a macro perspective, no? If you're gonna zoom out, it's trailing basically at 100 MA, and it's just going up, here, up high, there high. So if I'll be trading Ani, I guess I'll be buying just near 50 MA, and then my stop loss would be below 100 MA. That would be for me. I'll avoid breakout plays because liquidity wise wala din to. So pass tayo dyan. Okay? So just a quick recap. The things that the stocks that we are looking at would be now. That may be a play for a continuation, but for me, structure wise, any run up for 2 pesos here is still a sell for me. We have TEL for bounce, a potential bounce for TEL. We have Bloom for a breakout play. Kay Bloom. And yeah, I guess pretty much those are the 3 names that I'm just concentrating. Maybe you want to check out any for potential breakout soon. But sobrang dry pa ng Philippine market. I guess end of this month or maybe first few weeks sa January that might give us an idea kung ano yung direction ng market natin. So I guess that's it. Medyo mabilis lang tayo ngayon. There's not much to discuss. Watch listing wise, wala din masyado. So we'll have the next charting session next week after Christmas. So December 26th. Tignan natin kung ano magiging run this week. So I guess that's it, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in to our Monday charting session. This has been your host. You're delicious. Stay delicious. Bye-bye, guys.